I hear a little commotion for the wig. Yup. Y'all look at this lace. To do your wigs with no baby hairs. I like baby hairs, but maybe I never needed them. Ever. And it's my man's birthday. Hi loves, what's up? So as y'all can see, your girl went blonde today. I am so excited and so happy that this color turned out so good, y'all. It looks so good on me, I'm not gonna lie. When I first saw it, I was a little nervous, but we got it together. It pulled together really nicely, and I think the color looks really, really, really good. As y'all can see, as y'all can tell, it looks good, okay? It looks really good. So if y'all interested in, y'all interested in seeing how I installed this wig, then definitely keep on watching. Stay tuned. And also, if y'all are interested in purchasing this wig, y'all know what to do. Check the description box down below. It'll be right at the top for y'all. The link to the website, the link to this wig, their coupon codes, all of that, okay? All the goodies, it'll be right there. So just click the link if y'all want to see what other type of wigs that Mega Look Hair has. If y'all want to see, so just click the link if y'all want to see what other type of wigs Alipearl has. And y'all remember, the last wig I got from Alipearl Hair, it was the chocolate brown wig. And can I just say, that thing ate so good. Like, what? It was so nice. And of course, nonetheless, this came out looking bomb.com. Like, I am obsessed. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, good morning. It is 9 o'clock right now and I have to do my hair. So let's do my hair, because we have a busy day. If you guys are watching my vlog, then you know what I'm getting prepared for. Not gonna lie, this cord right here is giving very much tacky, but I'm not even about to fool with that. It's okay, y'all have seen cords before. Yeah, so I'm about to just jump into this video because I'm so tired. We have a long day. Wow. Reveal of the 5 head, y'all. I'm gonna put my hair oil. Even though I did oil my hair last night, my hair is just like very dry. It seeps up everything. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. It's so cold on my head. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my black seed oil on my edges just for a little protection there. All right, so I'm not gonna lie, with this wig, I don't know if I'm going to use a wig cap, because I don't know, I feel like the lace is really good on it, which means that you're gonna be able to see the wig cap if I do decide to use it. So I'm not too sure yet, but let's put the wig on. Let's show y'all what I'm working with. So here is the wig from Alipearl. It's coming off brown on camera, but in person, this does not look like brown. It's given like a dark gray and blonde, and I was really nervous about it, but I put it on last night and it looked really, really, really good. So let me show y'all how it looks on. See, it looks good, right? Can y'all see? Okay. I feel like this possibly could be washing me out on camera, but it looks good a little bit, right? My other vlogging camera is not washing me out. It looks really good. On this camera, I look a little bit pale. But okay, so just take a minute to look at the lace. The lace looks really good, which is why I think I don't need a cap. I want it to look very natural. So I don't think I'm gonna use a cap, and I'm just really gonna keep it in a middle part anyway. So we're gonna see how this turns out. I don't know if I should use a cap or not. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna gel these edges back. I'm gonna use the Got To Be and my edge brush. Oh, and I have a robe on, y'all. This is a comfy hair install video because, like I said, I'm tired and I'm cold, so I might just end up going to sleep during this install. No, I'm joking, but it is really chilly today. And like I said, I did not get no sleep, so I haven't been wearing my wigs for like what, a week, and I've been trying to like even out my tan line for my wigs. I know y'all can see it, like right here is super light and then boom, darker. Like that's one of the things that you have to deal with when it comes to wigs. So yeah, I've been trying to even that out. I mean, I see a little bit more evenness from it, but yeah. Ooh, let me pop this. No pimples, not today. All right, y'all, I did it. I had to put the cap on. I had to. All right, y'all, so right now we are doing the glue part. Y'all know this is the repetitive part. I'm using the gummy lace glue. This has low-key, this glue, you know what? She did her thing with this one, okay? This glue has me in a choke hold. It is so good. It lasts so long, and it's also really strong. And I used about 3 layers of this glue. And yeah, I just applied the next layer once the first layer was dried clear for the most part. And then I just went in with my little dots, popsicle stick, smooth that all around, and then boom. And then we're going to pretty much jump into putting the wig on into, you know, all the next steps. So, of course, once everything is dried, I think I did about 3 layers. We just went ahead and put our wig on, and then y'all know the drill. Now it's time to just press that lace into our skin because we want everything to be nice and melted, and we want it to be positioned properly. So I normally do one side, and then I just work my way to the other side. And again, just using my hands to add pressure to that, make sure that everything is, you know, pretty much seeped into the glue because this is going to give us that melted look, and make sure everything is aligned properly. So after that, I just go in with my scissors and I'm cutting around my ears and cutting off that excess lace that we do not need, and just repeat the same process on the other side. And after that, I'm going to go in with the elastic band. And this is just going to help secure our lace as we go ahead and style the rest of our hair. So I'm using my wax stick in the middle of my part. And this is going to help get that part really nice and flat, get our wig nice and flat. And if y'all are sleeping on hot combs, please stop. You need a hot comb if you want to install your wig, okay? The only wig that you might be able to get away with is a curly wig because it's supposed to look big. But anything else, and that's really pushing it as well. Anything else, you need a hot comb, okay? So I'm going in with some silkening serum. This is the Bio Silk one. And this is by far one of my favorite products to put in my hair before I go ahead and style it, whether I'm doing curls or straight. It just adds a really nice shine to the hair, and it doesn't leave the hair oily or greasy. It just looks, you know, naturally like moisturized. And it just keeps the hair still flowy, and it's not heavy at all. So right now I'm just pressing out my hair in sections, and this hair actually really pressed well. And I also went in with a hot comb at the roots because, again, we want this wig to be nice and flat, and it can't be flat if parts of the wig, the roots are, you know, like real thick and just not laying down. So the key to your hair being bone straight is to start from the roots, y'all. Y'all got to start from the roots. Y'all have to get those roots as flat as possible because if it's not, it's definitely going to look like a helmet. And you're going to be mad. I'm going to be mad. Everybody looking at you is going to be mad. And it's just not a good feeling, okay? Make sure y'all wigs are flat. Invest in a good hot comb. Okay, so this is pretty much just like the repetitive part. We're just doing one side, and then we're going to do the other side. And then I'll pretty much show y'all like the difference between one side being straight and the other side, you know, in its natural state. And you'll definitely see a difference. One side definitely looks a little bit more sleek and put together, of course, laid and slayed. And the other side just look a little crazy. Look at this side. And then look at this side. 2 hands up, keep them up. Can I hear a little commotion for the wig? Y'all look at this lace. Are y'all serious right now? Are you kidding me? Oh, baby. Wait, let me brush my eyebrows up. See, y'all don't be trying to listen to me when I say don't play with me. Don't play with me. Because, and it's not even melted yet. That's the crazy part. Wow. And she's not even glued down. Well, she glued down, but she ain't even melted all the way yet. Like, can y'all just imagine? Should I keep it no baby hairs? Because this is eating. This is low-key a flex to do your wigs with no baby hairs. I like baby hairs, but maybe I never needed them. Ever. I'm just saying, don't play with me. Don't play with me when it comes to my wig installs, man. And it's my man's birthday. Oh, okay. Yeah. Always making a statement. Always. I saved this wig specifically for his birthday. And it's gonna eat. Y'all wanna know the crazy part though? I don't even know what I'm wearing. I don't know what I'm wearing. 2 hands up, keep them up. There is no way that this is real right now. All right, let me clean my part up and then see what I want. I think I like the no baby hair look. Ashley! Ashley! Can you come here? Can I keep it no baby hair? None at all. Not even the sides. Oh, well, the sides, yes.
The sides, but none in the front.
No, not like one here, right here. I meant the sideburn.
Like put a sideburn? You should put a sideburn.
No baby hair.
No.
Do it look weird on me?
No, it's just look, gotta put some color. You know what you do with the foundation?
Gotta put some color where?
The foundation, it looks white.
It do?
Yeah. Put like foundation right here. You see where that part is in the middle? Put foundation
that's the
around
concealer.
it.
I just did that. Oh, alright.
Like all around it.
That's the concealer.
I'm talking about your edge. You see
Here?
yeah, like all it is, put some foundation or something. It look ashy. But just put a sideburn. No baby hair.
Alright. Okay. Alright, y'all, so the hair is complete. We went with the no baby hairs. So I'm about to go throughout my day with my edge wrap on and with this edge wrap on and go do what I gotta do for the day, because like I said, today is, well, not today, but tomorrow is my boyfriend's birthday, Halloween day, and I'm throwing a surprise birthday party for him. If y'all want to see that, then go and check out my vlog, and yeah, y'all can tune in to that. because it should be really fun. So I'm about to go throughout my day, do all my errands that I have to do. Right now I'm on track, y'all. It is 11 o'clock. And I said I was going to be done at 11:30. Ended up being done early. So, and now, yeah, I'll be back when my makeup is done. Okay, yeah, so I'll be back when my makeup is done and my final thoughts on this hair. I think I am going to clip the ends even because I don't like the straight look. Well, no, I think I'm not, because blonde hair is like, who cares? So yeah, this looks so freaking good. Let me cut more of my ear tab off because I feel like it's hanging. And I am happy that I used the cap as well. Alright, y'all, so this is it for now, and I'll be back later. So this is how I'm looking after makeup and everything. So right now we are going to fix this harsh makeup line for one. Yeah, I'm gonna wear it behind my ear because I just love this look much more. And yeah, that's the finished look. So as y'all can tell, this hair was giving everything. I felt super pretty in this wig. It just looks so good with my skin. Like I said, I was a little bit nervous with the color and everything, but y'all, this looks so good on me. Like, no lie. And I was just super obsessed with how it came out. And if y'all are interested in purchasing, y'all know where to go to find all the links, the description box. And also, thank y'all so much for tuning in to yet another video, and I hope to see y'all in the next one. And if y'all are interested in also seeing how his birthday turned out and what I did to surprise him, if he was surprised, if he had a good time, then definitely stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna be lit.